Play.
Oh my gosh, I'm recording. This is my Thai tea in Reggie's Portrait 400.
What you do is go to the photo you took and you have to go to the menu and the voice memo setting. You have to turn it on. So you go, mine was off, so you turn it on. And then you go back to the photo and the button is this one here in the front dial. You hold it down. Okay, ready? We're gonna try this. Oh yeah. So holding it down. And then, okay, see, now I'm recording Mark. So this photo I took, there's an airplane flying right in the middle of the photo. And it's sunny today, it's Monday. And then you go back and press play.
Okay, see, now I'm recording it. So this photo I took is an airplane flying right in the middle. It's sunny today.
Okay, see, now I'm recording Mark. So this photo I took, there's an airplane flying right in the middle of the photo. And it's sunny today, it's Monday. Oh my gosh, I'm recording. This is my Thai tea in Reggie's Portrait 400.